So students, I will tell you a very short summary of this chapter, Ranga marriage. So Ranga is a boy and he lives in Hoshali. Hoshali is in Mysore. He went to Bangalore to receive his English medium school, right? Because his father, he sent him Bangalore for English medium's education. So when he returned to his village, Hoshali, all of a sudden what happened, villagers, they just flood to his place and they just want to see, and they were noticing whether Ranga have changed or not. So when they saw that Ranga was same as he was before, they become very happy because he used to greet everyone with same namaskar, right? He have wore that janev, right? So people became very happy that Ranga is actually the same which left us years ago. So here what happened, the place where he lives is a very nice village, and this what is special about this village is that this village was having very good mangoes, right? So Hoshali is a small village, but it's not so famous, right? So what happened, when villagers left from Ranga house, then narrator, he just stays back because he want to talk to Ranga. So when he started talking to Ranga, he just like asked Ranga that if he is ready for marriage, and what type of a girl he thinks that he can live with. So when Ranga heard this question, Ranga told that I wish to marry only a mature girl and whom he admires. Right. So here the narrator, he decided that Ratna is the perfect match for Ranga. And in fact, Ratna, that girl, she belonged to a big town, and she was also expert in playing musical instrument like veena and harmonium. So what happened, he just decided that Ratna is best suitable pair for Ranga. So he decided that it would be better that both meet each other. So what happened, he decided to call Ratna when Ranga was visiting. So when Ranga saw Ratna, at that time, you can say that love at first sight happened with Ranga, and he was like very much impressed when he heard her voice, because her voice was very soft, very sweet, and she played veena and harmonium. So what happened, when a liking developed in Ranga, then narrator plays a game. Narrator, he just think to, it's better that I want to know whether Ranga seriously like that girl or not. So he just decided to play a game, and he just told lie to Ranga that Ratna is married. Then obviously at that moment, Ranga had developed some feelings for Ratna. So when he heard this, he get very disappointed, right? So he like started asking narrator that what else we can do, right? So by hearing this, the narrator, he said that it would be better that you should meet an astrologer, right? So see here what happened, the narrator, he was like he was already you can say all the things was pre-planned. So he had a talk with Shastri, or you can say with astrologer, and he have told that astrologer that you have to say like this only, right? So when Ranga went to astrologer, he just that astrologer, he just asked a question whether you like some girl, and I guess you like a girl whose name is Ratna, or you can say whose name is resemble to Ratna. When he heard this, that astrologer or Shastri is saying this line, he became very happy at that moment, right? But again, what happened? He became very sad because at that moment he realized that Ratna was already married. Then what happened? When the narrator saw that now Ranga seriously likes her, then he finally said and confronted everything to Ranga, that I had made a plan, and it was just a part of my plan to tell, because I just want to see whether you really like her or not. So he confesses everything, and afterwards, when he saw that seriously love has developed in heart of Ranga, then he decided to set a marriage of Ranga and Ratna. So finally, what happened? The marriage of Ranga and Ratna, they just married happily, right? And so here, this is actually the end of the story. In this story, basically there is nothing. It's only the narrator who plays an important role. He played an important role, and he is actually the mediator who set a marriage for Ranga and Ratna, because when he saw Ranga, right, that at that moment of time he realized that Ratna would be best pair for Ranga, but he also want to confirm whether really Ranga liked him or not. So he had just made a plan, and when he saw that really the feelings was developed in Ranga's heart, then he confronted everything, then he told everything, and finally they get married happily. So this is all the chapter about.